Hello, I'm your teacher Randy League, and welcome to Goodwin English's 2-minute English lesson. The first phrase that we will look at today is, how do you like my car? Let's say that you recently bought a new car, and you show your new car to a friend. You want to listen to your friend's opinion about your new car. So you ask them, how do you like my new car? But your friend just says, yeah. What does this mean? Well, the problem is that when you use the question, how do you like my new car? You're not really asking a person their opinion of your car. You are inviting a compliment. You are, in a way, asking them to compliment your new car. It's very similar to saying, isn't my new car great? If you really want to hear your friend's opinion about your car, you should try to use this question instead. What do you think of my new car? Then your friend will tell you their real opinion. That's it for today's super short lesson. Remember to subscribe to our channel to see more English speaking videos. I'm your teacher Randy League, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.